At the official website, you click on the download button here. Then you click on the installer image. Then you scroll down and click on the download button here to download the ISO file of Kali Linux. You wait for it to download. Once downloaded, you head over to your VirtualBox. Then you click on new to add a new virtual machine. Give a name to your virtual machine. I'm going to name mine Kali machine. Then you select the ISO image you just downloaded from the official website of Kali. You select it, then you click on open. You can also change the size of the hard disk file location here. You can change the size here. You can also change the size of the RAM of your virtual machine, and also the number of processes for your virtual machine. You can also change it here. I only have 4 processes, so I'm going to leave it 1. Then I click on finish. And I click on start to start the virtual machine. Click here and select the graphical install or press enter. Click continue or press enter. Click on the continue button. Click on continue. Click on continue. Then you wait a little. Okay, so you are going to click on the continue to leave the host name VBoss, and click on continue. You're going to give a name for the user. I'm going to name it Cyber Lab, and I click on continue. Click on continue for the username. Then you create a password for it. I will retype the password here. Then you click on the continue button. You click on continue again. Then you click on the continue to use the entire. Click on continue again. Then you click on continue. Click on continue. You select the yes. You select yes and click on continue or press enter. Then you select the genome here, then click on continue. You click on continue, then you select the second one. You enter device manager, you select the second one and click on continue. Then you click on continue to reboot your virtual machine. Wait for it to reboot. So once you click on it and you type the password that you created here and press enter. And that's it. You've created a virtual machine for your Kali. You can change the display. You can change the resolution here by searching for display. And click on this one, display here. You can also right click on an empty space and click on the display settings here and change the resolution here. You're going to select 16 by 10 inches and click on apply. Click on keep changes, and that's it. You are done. You've installed Kali in a VirtualBox. I'm going to leave the links in the description below. Thank you. See you in the next video.